Today we will be looking at a 30-minute trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 30-minute trading strategy. So the source video I got this from explained the backstory of Nicholas Darvis and how he took $10,000 and turned it into $2 million with a specific strategy that he developed himself. The video then goes on to explain that they have developed a strategy with new indicators, current indicators, where we can use it on crypto and other things besides the normal stock market, and how it's even more profitable than Darvis's original strategy. In this particular case, the strategy consisted of 3 different indicators. The first one is the Mevalem W indicator. Go here and type in the Mevalem W indicator right there. The next one was the Darvis box, and that's going to be the Darvis box right here. And the last one is the Wada Atar explosion indicator. It's going to be this one. It's going to be this one right here. The V2 Wada Atar right there. And so before we even take a look at the strategy, let's take a look at the numbers to see whether or not it was profitable. And so I did a test on this. Normally I do 50 trades on the test. And in this particular case, I only got to 25 trades. And that's because this particular strategy was doing so bad by the time I hit 25 trades. I decided that it wasn't even worth continuing on because no person in their right mind would have taken so many losing trades in a row with such a drastic drawdown and then continue to trade the strategy. So I did 25 trades. I had 1 break even. I had 6 winning trades and 19 losing trades. And with the strategy, it did a 1 to 2 risk reward. That puts the total there at a negative of $700, and that's not even counting in the fact that you're supposed to take half of the trade off, and the ones that only hit a half trade and then went back and closed out the rest of the trade. And so all in all, this particular strategy just was not worth it, was not profitable. I do not suggest that you use this strategy. If you're looking for a strategy that does work, one that we've developed and tested and is proven to be profitable, I'll link to the video at the end of this video here of the strategy, the best strategy that we've developed here on the channel. So that's it for this one. We're going to cut the video here and we will move on to the next strategy from here.